Dear students, today we will start your chapter 2, Relations and Functions. In this chapter, we will learn about ordered pair, Cartesian coordinates, quadrants, relation, domain, range, function, and codomain too. Students, here you can see one table. In this table, average lifetime and maximum lifetime is given. We have discussed about these animals: cat, cow, deer, dog, and horse. For the cat, the average lifetime is 12 and maximum lifetime is 28 years. We are learning here the concept of ordered pairs. If we are taking these average lifetime and maximum lifetime as a coordinates, then it will be as a ordered pairs, that is 12, 28, 15, 30, 8, 20, 12, 20, and 20, 50. Now we can represent these ordered pairs in graph also, like x coordinate and y coordinate. Here you can see there are four coordinates. You know very well. The sign for the first quadrant is positive, positive, plus, plus. The sign for the second quadrant is minus, plus. The sign for the third quadrant is minus, minus. And the sign for the fourth quadrant is positive, negative. Yani plus, minus. Now Cartesian product of the sets. If we are having two non-empty sets that are A and B, then the Cartesian product of the sets A cross B will be AB is the ordered pair such that A belongs to set A and B will be belongs to set B. Example: A equals to 1, 2, 3, B equals to 4, 5. Then A cross B will be 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, and 3, 5. There are some concepts, some special points based on the Cartesian product. First one is, if cardinal number of set A is P and the cardinal number of set B is Q, then number of elements in A cross B will be P into Q and the number of relations will be 2 to the power PQ. Now second one, two ordered pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding first elements are equal and the second elements will also equal. If any set is infinite, then the product is also infinite. In the same manner, if any set is empty, then the product is also empty. Now come to the relation part. If I will ask you what do you mean by relation? बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलेंगे मैम it is the meaning रिश्ता. But in mathematics, how can we establish रिश्ता between two variables? Here I will give an example, that is y equals to x plus 2. Here, if I will put any value of x, by adding 2 in that value, you can get the value of y. So it is the relation between x and y. Now comes to the domain part. You know what are the ordered pair x comma y. If I am having a set in which so many ordered pairs are there, then all the x coordinates will becoming the domain. If I will give example, a equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, whatever, then all the x coordinates will be your domain. And what is the range? Now range will be existing all the y coordinate of the ordered pair. Now you will see the examples. Here is the example: -3, -1, 0, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. If I will ask you about the domain, what will be the domain here? -3, 0, 3, and 4. And what will be the range part? -1, 0, 5, and 6. If I will ask you what is the relation between these ordered pair, you can see the pattern. There is 2. There is y is greater than x by 2. It means y minus x equals to 2. It is the relation between x and y. Now describing domain and range again. Each ordered pair has two parts, x1 and y1. All the x values of given relation are called domain. All the y values of the relation are called range. When you list the domain and the range of the relation, we will place each domain and the range in a separate set of braces. There is the example of finding domain and range. If we are having any number repeating, we will write only once. There are three types of relations. Number one, one to one. Number two, many to one. Number three, one to many. Now here you will see in set A the elements are minus 3, 0, 2. In set B elements are 1, 2, 4. You can see minus 3 is mapping to 1, 0 is mapping to 2, 2 is mapping to 4. This type of diagram is known as ray diagram, and this is the one to one relation is there. If we are having one to one relation, then it can be a function. So see here, domain elements are minus 1, 1 and 4. Range elements are 5 and 3. Minus 1 and 4 are mapped to 5 and 1 is mapping to 3. Now here obviously many to one relation, A सेट के दो एलिमेंट्स की B सेट के एक एलिमेंट पर इमेज है. तो this is the example of many to one relation and it can be a function. Now here the third example shows one to many relation. Here you can see in set A 5 minus 3 and 1. In set B 6 0 and 1. Minus 3 is mapped to 6 and 0 both. This is the example of one to many relation. And when relation is one to many, then it is not a function. Now see there are set A and set B. Set A is having element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the same set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In set A there is the element 6 which is not having any image in set B. And in set B there is no pre-image of 1. 1 is not having any pre-image in set A. What is the concept of domain here? Domain are the elements which are having image in set B. So here we are having image of set A elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the elements of domain will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now comes to the range part. The next definition of range is range are the elements whose pre-image is existing in A. Now see what are the elements of range now? 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now comes to the codomain part. Codomain are the elements existing in set B. चाहे image बने ना बने, we will write all the elements of B in codomain. It means range is the subset of codomain. Now here one example that shows the one to one, one to many relation also. माइनस टू की इमेज भी जीरो पे बन रही है. देखिए लिसन टू एंड टू की दो इमेज बन रही है माइनस टू पर एंड टू पर. तो इट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ वन टू मैनी. तो इट इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. दिस इज आल्सो द एग्जांपल ऑफ रिलेशन डोमेन एंड रेंज. What do you mean by domain? Next definition of domain is what we can put and what we can get is the range. Now we will revise relation, set of order pair, domain, x values in the relation, range, y values in the relation, function, a relation where each x value is assigned to one y value. It means when the relation is 1 1 and many to one. One to many relation can't be accessed as a function.